Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ellie and today I'm gonna bring you a Tres Leche bud in a muffin. I'm so excited because I love muffins so much that it's a really fast dessert that, you know, when you finish eating and you want to eat something sweet, you just grab a muffin and that's it. If you make like a Tres Leche cake, you know you have to cut it and do all the steps that you don't want to do. So if you're lazy like me, this is the best recipe, but I have never seen this before and I have never done it before. So this is gonna be like a test to see if this works, and if it does, oh my god, this is gonna be the best recipe for me. So if you want to see how we can do this, please just keep watching. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna show you are the ingredients. For that, you're gonna need the cake box mix, 3 eggs, a cup of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, and this is for the muffin. Now for the Tres Leche, you're gonna need 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 1 cup of 2% milk. You can use any milk that you want. This is the one that I'm using. And for the muffin not to stick to the pan, you're gonna need some baking spray, and you're gonna need 2 muffin pans and an ice cream scoop so you can put it inside. So now with all these ingredients, let's put them all together. Oh, and I already have my oven preheated to 350. Okay, I already have my muffins in the oven baking, and in the meantime we're gonna do the Tres Leche mix. But if you want to know how you can do the recipe of the muffin or how to make it, you can click that button right there and it will take you to my other video that I show you all the steps that you can do for the muffins. Now let's start doing the Tres Leche, and how I said, I have the cup of regular milk here, 2%, and we're gonna put our condensed and evaporate, and we're gonna mix them together.
I'm serious, you think I'm playing?
That's not how you do it, babe. You making a fire? Excuse me.
Yeah, I'm the cook.
I don't think so. Okay, I already finished baking the muffins and I left a few of them here just in case if this is a fail, because I've never seen it before. Maybe you guys have. I haven't. Comment down below and put me the link so I can see it for next time. But if you think this is a fail or a good test, click in that button and it's gonna give you like a mini, not like a survey, but you can choose if you think this is gonna be good or if you think this is gonna be bad. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a toothpick, because usually you do it with the fork, but it's muffin, they're small, so we're gonna get a toothpick and we're gonna make holes in our muffins, and then we're gonna get our mix of milk and we're gonna pour it all over our muffins, and we're gonna let it rest at least for 30 minutes so those muffins get all that milk inside and get like really fluffy and milkless. Okay, let's start. You're gonna pour all this on top of the muffins like one by one so they can absorb all that milk. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, you need to use a container that have like a small walls or something, because then all the milk is gonna be outside and you don't want that. Ooh, whoops, like that. Okay guys, my muffins were in the fridge, I guess for 30 or 40 minutes, around there. You can leave it longer if you want, but I'm sorry and I need to try this to see if it was a fail or something good. So this is how the cookies are looking. They still have milk, but they already absorbed like a lot. So I need to try this, okay? Let's do this. Oh my god! Of course it's dripping because this you need to eat it like in a plate, but you can still eat it like this. That's what I'm gonna do. my god. It's so good. You guys need to do this. I don't think this was a fail. I think, oh my god, they taste so good. I need to take another bite, okay? It's so soft. And it has all the milk, the 3 flavors, like the condensed and the vapor. This with ice cream is heaven, okay? So you need to try this because I cannot tell you anything else. You need to try this. It's really good and it wasn't a fail. It actually worked. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to show some support, you can go ahead and subscribe. And also click on the bell so every single time that I post a new video, you will get a notification. And nothing, I'll see you later because I'm gonna eat the entire muffin.